Hi there, welcome to Vanwise in Harlow. My name's Paul, and today we're going to have a quick look around the Runhorse JC2 Jokky electric delivery vehicle. I'm going to show you some of the features that this fantastic little vehicle has got on offer. So start having a look around. Okay, so as I've said, this is the Runhorse JC2 small goods electric delivery vehicle. So as we're looking around, you're going to notice a pre-reg vehicle, 21 plate. So the bodywork you'd expect is going to be in lovely, immaculate condition. We've protected that bodywork by applying a Gardex triple layer treatment that helps to protect that bodywork against any of the negative effects from acidity and rainwater, from UV from the sun, anything at all that's going to cause any premature deterioration to that nice finish on the bodywork. As you've seen, you've got the LED daytime running lights there. You've also got LED headlights as well. As we get to the back, you'll also see you've got LED brake lights and an LED reversing light as well. Moving around on the front wheels, you've also got disc brakes, drum brakes on the rear of the vehicle. On the near side of the vehicle, you've got the charge port there along with the charge level indicator. So this vehicle can be fully charged in a matter of 2 to 3 hours. That's from a mains power point. As we get to the back, you're also going to see there you've got a reversing camera included on this vehicle. With the storage compartment on the back there, you have got twin opening doors, one either side. So nice, easy access no matter where you've parked on the street. You've got access on both sides. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Okay, so moving to the rear storage area, both of the doors are lockable. The locks are just found underneath the covers on the handles themselves. Once open, you'll see that both of those doors are supported by two hydraulic pistons there. Those are going to keep those doors up for you, so nice easy loading and unloading for you. In terms of your loading space, you've got 155 centimeters of length, 105 centimeters across the width, and 100 centimeters of storage height. The maximum load in the back of this vehicle is 400 kilos, so a decent amount of storage weight as well for you. Let's have a look in the cab. Okay, so as we move into the cab of the vehicle, it's going to point out you've got nice PU flooring there, which is going to be nice and resilient, going to last a nice long time for you. You've actually got a leather seat in the vehicle as well, with an adjustable headrest for added convenience. So safety-wise, you'd also have the emergency triangle behind the seat, along with a high-vis vest. You've also got the charging cable, as you've just seen there. Just moving in a bit further, and you've got a little green switch there and a red pull-out button there. Those are the isolation switch. It's a two-part isolation switch for the main battery. So all you need to do is push that one there in and turn that one off. That's going to completely isolate that main battery for you. And all we're going to do to turn it back on, pull the red switch and push the green button. Handbrake just down on the right hand side of the driver's seat. If we just get the rest of the way into the vehicle. So looking around, you're going to see you've got electronic windows on both sides of the vehicle. Looking upwards, you've got a manually powered sunroof as well. Looking around the front, below the steering wheel, you've got the keyless ignition button there, along with the climate controls, and as you can see, you've got air conditioning included with this vehicle. You've got a 3-stage automatic gearbox, so reverse, neutral and drive. Just looking up, there's the electric LCD screen there, which will give you your battery indicator, your odometer, and it'll give you any controls for a connected device as well. Just moving backwards a little bit and upwards, you've got your control buttons for that as well there, along with the USB input. As I did point out, you've also got the reversing camera that will show on this screen, but we'll point that out once we've got the vehicle going. So let's do that now. So I'm going to push the brake down, push that button there, and then the vehicle will start up on its own. So once we've got the vehicle on, you've got your charge level indicator on the left hand side there of the screen. So at the minute 93%. On a full charge, the vehicle will do 81 miles an hour. Top speed is 32 mile an hour. So absolutely ideal if you're doing any small delivery work in a city centre. If you're not going great distances, it's absolutely perfect. You'll also save because it's full electric, so no congestion charge, no ULEZ charge, and very cheap, if not free parking. So let's just pop the vehicle into reverse, and then you'll be able to see the camera pop up there with the display for the behind the vehicle. One last thing that I do want to point out is with this vehicle, it can also be driven on a CBT certificate as well. So if you have got a provisional license and you're doing some delivery work, absolutely ideal, because you can drive this one on your CBT certificate, which means that no need to be riding around on a scooter getting yourself wet in bad weather or overly hot in the summer, because you've got the air conditioning included with this one as well. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me to have a look around the JC2 Run Horse electric delivery vehicle. One last little quick point I wanted to make is that with this vehicle, the company that manufactures does also offer a 24/7 support service as well, so no need to worry about calling and not getting through to anyone. If you do need help, it will always be there. Now, anything at all we can do to assist with purchasing one of these fantastic vehicles, please don't hesitate to let us know, and it will be a pleasure to help out however we can. Aside from that, if this video has been useful, please hit that 5-star review button for me, and that will be greatly appreciated. Once again, thank you very, very much for joining me and having a look around this fantastic little vehicle. Have a great day.